Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide quick access toolbar in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel and you can see this is a quick access toolbar. To hide the quick access toolbar, you just click on this arrow. You can see the arrow before the file name is showing. Okay, when you keep cursor on this arrow, the name of this option customize quick access toolbar. Just click on this and you can see the list of to customize the quick access toolbar. To hide toolbar, just click on this last option, hide quick access toolbar. I just click on it and you can see the toolbar is hide. To the second way, you just right click on anywhere this ribbon. So I just right click here and you can see the show quick access toolbar option. When you click on it, the quick access toolbar show again. If you want to hide the different way, just right click again and here you can see now the hide quick access toolbar option. You can hide from this way also. Okay, to unhide, again right click and click on the show quick access toolbar. You can just click on this arrow and you can just click on this hide quick access toolbar option. You can hide the toolbar here. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.